These are tread grips, or a MOLLE system, if you will, for your spare tire to allow you to attach different accessories, whether it be a gas tank, extra fuel, extra water. And installation is super simple. Everything's included that it comes with. Start out under, go through, pull through the other side, feed through, lock in place. MOLLE system is now hooked in, and the teeth will grip the tire. We're not going to apply too much pressure. We don't want it to dig into the tire. I don't have any of the attachments to put on the side, but this is the MOLLE system for the spare tire with teeth grips, which allows multiple options to be added for trips later on.